G'day guys, how's it going? My name's Sean and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 5 tips on how to go ahead and upgrade the RAM in your computer successfully. So let's go. Okay, so my first tip with handling RAM would be to never touch the gold connectors and to always handle the RAM from the outside edges. If you do go ahead and touch the gold connectors, you're running the risk of damaging them and you won't be able to get a return or a refund on the RAM itself. So my second tip for when you're handling RAM and doing a RAM upgrade is not to be doing it with your body or your feet or your hands touching carpet, as that can create static electricity, and once again static electricity can damage your components. So try as much as possible to be on wood or tiles or concrete, but never on carpet. So the third thing would be to have nice, clean and dry hands. If you've got wet hands or greasy hands, try and wash them and dry them first on some paper towel maybe, as the grease and oil or sweat on your hands can transfer onto the components that you're planning on upgrading, and as a result that can actually cause damage to those components. So make sure your hands are nice and clean. So my fourth tip would be to touch something made of metal, like your PC case, or in this case the aluminium on the iMac. It's going to discharge any static electricity in your body and reduce the risk of damaging any components. So my fifth tip and my last tip would be to make sure obviously the computer is shut down. I see a lot of people doing this, believe it or not, with their computers turned on, but shutting it down is just part of the step. But the other part is to make sure that you actually unplug the computer from the power outlet on the wall. Having the computer shut down but the computer cable still plugged in means that electricity is still running through the computer, so try and isolate that as much as possible. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful, makes you feel a bit more confident about going ahead and doing whatever upgrade that you might be doing on your computer. If you did like this video, then go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos like this, and you can definitely reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.